Are online real estate websites taking your clients? Are they still in your business? We're going to talk about that today in this video. Hi, my name is Jennifer Nicely, and I am with Pinnacle Real Estate Academy, and I am here to talk about the change in the real estate industry. Now, there are a lot of very popular websites out there that create lead generation, and they sell leads. And you may be one of those agents that say, hey, I sold this person this house 5 years ago. Why didn't they use me as their agent to sell it this time? And here's probably the reason why: you may not have kept up with them. And see, what happens with this is if you don't keep up with your consumers after closing, then they are going to go to some of these websites and type in their information and have their information sold to another real estate agent. And that real estate agent's going to fight with other real estate agents to get the business, because the consumer that you helped in the past doesn't remember your name. They don't remember your company. And so your job starts after closing. Your job starts after closing. You have to give them information. You have to educate them. You have to keep that relationship going. Now, they may go, God, I used this agent 5 years ago. She was great. I can even picture what she looks like. But I don't know her name, and I can't remember her company name. And I'm going to be honest with you, these websites are not stealing your business. You're letting your business go. When you don't keep up with them and you don't keep the relationship, it's not your consumer to keep. You dropped the ball. So these websites are not stealing your business. They are not taking clients away from you. You dropped the ball and they left you. So it starts with you. And some of you aren't going to want to hear that because you go, well, I'm not the problem. It's the way the market is going. If you provided great customer service and you have a great relationship with them, they're not going to look at those websites. They're going to immediately call you for the rest of their life. But you have to stay in touch. How do you stay in touch with these people? Maybe it's pop buys. You've heard about these pop buys and dropping off gifts and useful information. Or maybe it is every year when tax season comes. Hey, don't forget to file your taxes. Call your CPA. Here's some information you may need. Or, hey, it is the new year. Here's a new calendar with my face posted on your refrigerator. There's a lot of free information that is valuable that you can provide to the consumer. So please make sure you keep up with them. And when you do, your clients won't be stolen out from underneath you. Hopefully you found value in this video. Please comment below with any questions or comments and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're constantly posting videos here just for you, the real estate agent.